Hello, I'm Justin Candada II, 21 years old. But people say I look like 17 or 18 lang now. So, acting experience po, I've been in Chowking TV commercial, The Healing by Direk Chito Ronyo, This Guy's in Love with You Mari by Direk Wende Ramas, the LSU Advocacy Film for the LSU Hospital, Health Hooray by Direk Mark Villena, the LSU Short Films, Para Po, 13 and Mine. And I'm also acting for the theater, Ang Guro and The Fifth Prodigal by Direk Poy Bayano. Kumakanta rin po ako. Sample lang. Sample. Takes a crane to build a crane. It takes two floors to make a story. It takes a hand to make an egg. It takes an egg to make a head. There's no end to what I'm saying. It takes some thought to make a word. It takes some word to make some action. It takes some work to make it work. It takes some good to make it hurt. It takes some bad for satisfaction. La 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 la, life is wonderful. La 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 la, life goes full circle. La 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 la, life is wonderful. La la la. It takes a night to make it done. It takes a day to make it on, brother. It takes some cold to make you young. It takes some cold to know the sun. It takes the one to find the other. It takes no time to fall in love. It takes years to know what love is. It takes those seeds to make you trust. It takes the tears to make it rust. It takes some dust to have it fall this day. Full circle, la 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 la, life is wonderful, la 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 la, life is meaningful, la 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 la, life is wonderful, la 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 la, life is. Para naman po sa acting skill, yung sa superhero. Sa mundo natin ngayon, maraming problema. Minsan, patid ng mga trahedya. Minsan, galing na rin ng kalikasan. Tulad ng landslide. Yung babae, papagsakan siya ng mga bato galing sa bundok. Kailangan ko siyang iligtas. Pero paano? Super! Justin! Wala pong anuman. Ang importante po, ligtas na po kayo. Pero alam nyo, may alam akong mas madaling paraan para maging superhero. Hindi naman kailangan maging sobrang lakas. O kaya, kailangan matutong lumipad para maging superhero. Minsan, kailangan lang natin pag-unawa at pagmamahal sa ating kalikasan at sa ating kapwa. Alam nyo, kung sapat naman ng mga puno sa kabundukan, di naman magkakaroon ng landslide Kung nagtatapon lang tayo ng mga basura sa tamang tapunan, wala sanang baha. Kaya kung gagawin man natin yung makakabuti para sa kalikasan, Gaano man kaliit yun. Ako, pati ikaw. Lahat tayo pwede maging superhero.